Hello friends, in this video I will talk about congruence of triangles. Two triangles are said to be congruent if their all three sides and three angles are equal. Congruence is the term used to define an object and its mirror image. Two objects are said to be congruent if they superimpose on each other. Their shape and their dimensions are the same. Consider triangle ABC and triangle XYZ. If I place ABC over XYZ, you can see that the two triangles cover each other exactly and they are of the same shape and size. Also notice that A falls on X, B on Y, C on Z. Also side AB falls on XY, side BC falls on YZ, and side AC falls on XZ. So we can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle XYZ. Symbolically, it is represented as triangle ABC is congruent to triangle XYZ. In general, we can say that two triangles are congruent if all the sides are equal to corresponding sides and angles of the other triangle. Let us take another example. Here I am taking triangle PQR and triangle MNO. Now observe, if I place triangle PQR over triangle MNO, what do we see? We see the two triangles cover each other exactly and they are of the same shape and size. Also notice P falls on M, Q falls on N, R falls on O. Also sides PQ fall on MN, QR fall on NO and PR fall on MO. So we can say that triangle PQR and triangle MNO are congruent. In general, we can say that two triangles are congruent if all the sides and all the angles of one triangle are equal to the corresponding sides and angles of the triangle. Order of the letters in the names of the congruent triangles shows the corresponding relationship. In two congruent triangles ABC and triangle XYZ, the corresponding vertices are A, X, B and Y, C and Z. This means A corresponds to X, B corresponds to Y, C corresponds to Z. Similarly, the corresponding sides are AB and XY, BC and YZ, AC and XZ. Also, we can say Angle A corresponds to angle X. Angle B corresponds to angle Y. Angle C corresponds to angle Z. Now comparing triangle PQR and triangle MNO. We see that in triangle PQR and triangle MNO, vertices P correspond to M, Q corresponds to N, R corresponds to O. Also, sides PQ corresponds to MN, QR corresponds to NO, PR corresponds to MO. Also, angles P correspond to angle M, angle Q corresponds to angle N, angle R corresponds to angle O. So, we can say that triangle PQR is congruent to triangle MNO. Now let us see triangle ABC and triangle MNO, if they are congruent or not. If I try to cover triangle MNO with triangle ABC, we can easily see that they do not cover each other exactly and their sides do not match. So we can say that these two triangles are not congruent. So as I said, triangle ABC and triangle MNO are not congruent because sides AB does not correspond to side MN. Similarly, BC does not correspond to NO. Side AC does not correspond to MO. Similarly, angle A does not correspond to angle M, angle B does not correspond to angle N, angle C does not correspond to angle O.